get yourself to blame. Hi there, my good people. Hafa here, your tutor of English, with your daily videos with the dosage of knowledge and tips on how to start and build your career in English. Anyhow, guys, this video I'm gonna give you some tips on how to make a foolproof introduction video. Very important. We know the online presence nowadays. We were talking about this, that everything counts. So, introduction video, guys, this is paramount in your career. The introduction video, it's something I update constantly, something I've always make something different, or I get a new equipment, something with a better light, and then I record a new video. It's a new level of service. Everything counts. So it's something really, really important. It's your first contact. It's your first contact with the client before you have the contact with the client, because it's your business card. So this is what we're gonna work on today. Okay. So guys, the first tip: don't make it too memorized. Nowadays, every platform that you have to work on, there's an AI analyzing the videos. There's not a person behind it anymore. So a lot of things you have to watch out for. It kinds of get you stiff in the video. So these AI are all the time enhancing and updating. So you should too. Okay, so to make it natural, don't memorize it too much. Go straight to the point. Don't forget that everything you are transmitting is your style. It's how you like to conduct your classes. So make it natural, not memorized. Okay. Tip number two: talk about your experiences, talk about your hobbies, let people know who you are. You're not a machine. If they would like to practice with a AI, they would do so. So make it natural, let them know who you are. And remember, people are not buying the knowledge in your head, they're buying the experience that you can provide. So it's very important for them to bond, to connect with you, to let them know a little your style, and who you are and who you're going to be in the classes. Okay, so talk about your interests, talk about your experiences, but be straightforward. Don't be too personal. This is something that might not add to the choice of your student, how many kids you have, or how many years you've been living in this or that city. This is not something that's gonna add to their decision. So next tip: don't forget the keyword counts. Everything you're transmitting, you're giving information, you're giving your profile. So write a few keywords that define you as a teacher, define you as a communicator, or as a tutor. What defines you? In my course, for example, from the get go, I tell the students I'm not a teacher, I'm a tutor. What teaches you? It's your curiosity, it's your involvement with the language on a daily basis. And this is what teaches you. When you have trouble trying to understand, and then you want to understand, and then you want to transmit an idea, this is this is basically what I use a lot. These words are part of my vocabulary. I need to look for these keywords. These help me a lot to build a nice straightforward video. If you look for these keywords, you will naturally conduct your conversation, your introduction video, in a normal fashion. Last but not least, very important, guys, call for action at every second of the video. It's go time. You're transmitting that to make sure that your student sees how much you can help them, and wow, this is a really good use of my money. I'm gonna go with that guy because he's gonna transform my life, transform my professional life, my communication, expand my horizons. Don't forget to let them know that you're not only translating, not only helping them translate a conversation, a dialogue, a document. It's building a business persona. It's building who they are, who they are expressing in another language. So this is something always very important, that I make sure that every second of the communication, my students understand these. And I know I had a good class when at the end people mentioned this. How the transformation power that the classes have, this interaction have, because after all, you're not only pointing out faults and flaws in their communication and how they can improve that. You're also a great motivator. So this is something really cool. Take these tips, guys, and I'm pretty sure you're gonna make a foolproof video. Comment below what was your experience with the videos, and what's your process. Okay, have a great day, guys. God bless.